Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Welcome to the basement. My name is Paul and I'm taking you through today's workout like I've been doing for over 6 years right now. Monday and Thursday, we have not missed an upload. Today, something a little bit different. A little bit of stretching, a little bit of core work, leg work, but we are doing isometric holds. So just very few repetitions, I guess, in this workout. There's 5 different exercises. We're gonna do 10 to 15 repetitions of isometric holds. Gonna start off nice and simple, what everybody calls the world's greatest stretch. So let's get down on the ground and get started. We'll just do 2 or 3 per side. It'll get us moving and along the way. Yes, stretching, especially if you're doing, static stretching, they're isometric holds. So let's get started. Let's get down on the ground. You're gonna bring that one knee in front. The other leg is gonna be straight behind you. You're seeing the preview right now. And we're just gonna point our hand to the ceiling as far as we can go and give it a nice stretch. You guys ready to go? Leg comes on the front. You're just gonna face the ceiling and just hold it. Stretch all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. You bring it back down as low as you can go. 1, 2, 3, and back out. 1, 2, and just hold it. Point all the way to the ceiling. That eye follows that hand. Hold it with me and back down. And hold. And 1 more. And hold it right here. Everything nice and tight. And back down. And let's do 1 more. And back up. And right there. And ease out. And then switch sides. Same thing. I'm going to face in this direction, so I'm facing you guys. Same thing on the other side. Again, you plank position. Bring that one leg in front. And we're going to go up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, up. And hold. I have to admit, I am not very good at stretching. It's something I avoid almost at all costs. So this video might be a little bit awkward. But you know what? It's helping me out. And it's helping you out, hopefully. And I'm always honest with you guys. And I say this is something I'm very lacking in. I am completely honest with you, but I do this maybe once every couple months and it always feels so good and I always wonder, why do I do this more? Just hold it, hold it, hold it, down, stretch, back up, hold, 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 hold. There we go. Let's do 1 more. Down and up. Keep looking up. Couple more seconds and ease up. All right. Well, surprisingly, that was already exercise number 1. Now we're going a much more familiar exercise. Going over to the wall and doing some wall sits. No clock today. Not worried about the clock. How many seconds? We're just going to do the best that we can. So you get down as low as you can. If this is where you're at, you're fine. If you walk all the way down, a little bit more, that's great. If you walk all the way a little bit more, that's even better. So just hold it right here. So isometrics strengthen your tendons. Something we don't train enough, but a lot of injuries to be get are tendonitis. What is that? That would be an inflamed tendon. It's something we can avoid by strengthening them. So doing static holds strengthens the tendons, right? So just keep it right here. We're not gonna push it too hard. There's no point of doing that. But these are some very common exercises that you can do to strengthen those up. So let's hold it for a few more seconds. Ready? Let's count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's get up and walk it out a little bit. We'll do a couple more sets, so we'll do 3 sets of these. There was only 1 set of the stretches in the beginning. Hopefully you guys are feeling loosened up. Like I said, nice and simple workout today. Might not be as simple, might be hard for some of us to get on the ground. Then you might want to do a different type of stretch or try getting down on the ground if you can and just stretch it out as much as you can. And then make sure you have a chair next to you or something to help you back up. All right, so that was number 1. Let's go for number 2. I know this is not the usual workout at Fit After 50, but I like to mix things up and just hold it right here. I am probably not completely parallel to the ground, but this is where I am comfortable, experiencing a little bit of knee pain, and which is okay. So I do the best that I can with what I got. If you want to work a little bit into it, you could do some calf raises, or you could hold your calves up. There's varieties of this. You're still doing a static hold, but the calves are being activated. Or like I said, you could just hold it and stay on your tippy toes. It's completely up to you. Or put your heels all the way down and keep pushing against that wall. You guys ready? Let's hold it for 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back up. And that's number 2. And we'll move on to number 3 in a second. Shake it out a little bit. And once again, for the third exercise after this set, we're gonna be getting down on the ground for some glute bridges. Another area that I have to work on, get those glutes stronger. So any of this strengthening will take a lot of the pain of your knees. If you have knee pain like I do, probably because I do too much running. Actually, running has got nothing to do with knee pain. It's just I messed things up a long time ago. Different story for a different time. Running is actually good for you. It lubricates, it heals the joints. So don't worry about it. I have knee pain for other reasons, my own doing. Here we go for set number 3. And just stay right here. And just hold it. So yes, right now I have a little bit of pain in my right knee, but that's all right. It's not that horrible. It's not preventing me from working out. So this type of workouts only strengthens the legs, which takes the pressure off your knees. So a lot of the knee pain that we have, about at least 50% of it, it's actually got nothing to do with the knees. It's about strengthening the rest of the legs around the knee, both up over the knee and below the knee. So hold it right here. Stay with me and we'll do 10 more seconds. Relax. Let's call it 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back up. So that was our wall sit. I hope you guys did that well. Hope it's going out for you. Not too long for me. Everybody's different. That might have been very easy for you. It might have been very difficult. I don't know. Hopefully you can find your target zone and kind of work in that area and then increase the duration as you progress through these exercises. All right, going to glute bridge, getting down on the ground. Going to do single leg at once. So one leg's gonna stay on the ground and you're gonna lift your butts up, straighten on the other leg, and we're just gonna hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1, up. Like I said, another area I need to work on, because you notice I am nowhere near to being straight right here. There's a significant bend in my waist, in my hips. So I'm just gonna push it as hard as I can towards the ceiling. We're gonna have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, switch sides. Ready to go on the other side. 3, 2, 1, up. Hold it. Nice and tight, and just squeeze it and just hold it. Keep it up, keep it up. Let's go for 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. All right, a little breather for a few seconds. We'll go through it 2 more times. Nice and easy. I'm gonna try to have some relaxing music for this exercise, or no music at all, even better, even more relaxing, right? All right, leg out, up, hold. Keep it right here. Stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Three, 2, 1, down, switch sides. You guys ready? Up and hold. Nice strong glutes and hamstrings. Hold it right here. 3, 2, 1, down, and relax for a few seconds. And we'll do one more set, and then we only have 2 more exercises left. So I will moving right along quickly, right through this. So thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. If I haven't introduced myself, I think I did. My name is Paul. It's Fit After 50 workouts every Monday and every Thursday. Here's another ad, but before we finish, we still have work to do. So let's keep it up, guys. Keep it up. This is the last set. Nice and tight. Keep on fighting gravity, pushing towards that ceiling. Those hips all the way up. Keep it right here. 3, 2, 1. Down. Switch sides. Don't waste any time. And let's go. And up on the other side. If this is one single leg is too difficult for you, you can always have both feet down on the ground and just give me a nice glute bridge that way. For some of you, this might be really easy. For me, it's pretty challenging. All right, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Just stay right down on the ground. We got our next exercise coming up. We're gonna lay down on our stomachs. Actually, I like laying in this direction better. I don't know why. Habit. If the sound gets messed up on this, I apologize, but the microphone's gonna be really, really, really close to my chin. Gonna lay down flat, stretched all the way out. Arms at about 45 degrees, maybe a little bit less. And we're gonna just bring everything up, including arms. I'm just gonna hold it right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Thumbs pointing up and just push away from the ground. Legs, shoulders, everything. Chest comes up as high as you can and just hold. It's hard to talk. This is difficult. Let's hold 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Oh, this feels nice. Whew. So we'll stay down here for a few seconds. We'll do 2 more sets. Like I said, this entire exercise is what? 15 repetitions. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Everything comes up. Thumbs are up. Feet are off the ground. Hopefully you just on your quads, even on your midsection, you just push away from the ground as high as you can, as hard as you can, and you just hold it. Beautiful. Keep it up. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Beautiful. We'll stay down here for a few seconds and we'll just chill. All right, guys, ready for one more? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, up and hold. Stay right here. Best jab as you can. Like I said, I need to work on these myself, as you can probably tell, but I'm working out with you as I always do. All right, I'm gonna hold it for 5 more seconds. This is really painful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, one more exercise. I've been contemplating, even as I do these, what we should do. And I think we're gonna stay on the ground and do a hollow body hold, working the core. And we'll do a couple sets of that. So stay up on the ground. Preview as always is up on the screen right now, I hope. Unless I forgot to edit it in. Arms behind you. And I'm just gonna raise everything up and do the exact opposite of what we did before. Are you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, everything comes up and hold. If you're really good at this, you can sway. I'm not very good at this. So I just keep it right here. Keep that back. Try to push the lower back into the ground as much as you can. And just hold. All right, 10 more seconds. You guys ready to go? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Oh, feels nice. 2 more sets. Let's take a few more seconds and we'll knock out set number 2. You guys ready to go? And 3, 2, 1, arms back and everything up and hold. Keep it up, keep it here. Beautiful. Keep going, keep going. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Peace and quiet. You guys ready to go? Last one. Let's hold it for maybe 15 seconds or so, and then we'll take it from there. Pop back up and say our goodbyes. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up, and hold. Fight gravity, come on. We got this, right? We got this. Let's count down 10 seconds, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, keep fighting. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and curl those legs in. Relax, and now we can pop back up. Nothing popping back up when you're at this age. Not quite popping back up, but I got up. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today for the Active 50. I know this was something a little bit different, maybe not as dynamic as we usually do it, but I do have some isometric workouts on the channel. Check those out. I like doing these once in a while. I should probably do it more often to strengthen the tendons and everything else. And by the way, this last core exercise that we did is the gymnast's favorite core exercise, and you guys have seen how strong their cores are, and this is what they mostly do. Guys, my name is Paul. This is our basement. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget the workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. I'll see you guys during the next workout.